don't forget the hot sauce. These are my favorite parts. You gotta cut up all the peppers, the onions. You know, if you don't get them all about the same size, you take one bite, you might guess what they are. But if you cut them all the wrong size, you really know what you're dealing with, and then you're just messing up. So cut them all a little bit uniform. Tin hut. Now get that pan all really hot. I like to mix all of my mixins all together. I like cumin, chili powder, a bunch of different things. I don't really know, but if it all goes in one pot, at least I stir it up. It all tastes good, but I stick with what's on the back of a chili packet for the most part. Shh! Let's keep this one a secret, but make sure you add it though, because it's the best part. Those right there are fresh Roma tomatoes. I like me some Roma tomatoes. Do you like Roma tomatoes? And I mean all the beans. Don't go shy. So if you like a certain type of bean, add it right here. I typically just add dark kidney beans, black beans, and maybe chili beans. But whatever you like, add it. Now I always got in trouble for this, but I had to sit and wait a lot. But that's the best part about this chili. If you let it sit and simmer, just like in this clip, oh boy.